Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial. Today I will describe Kotlin basic input and output. So at first we will show the Kotlin output. Kotlin output. You can use the fint ln and fint function to send output to the standard output screen. Let the example. Suppose fint ln Kotlin tutorial for beginners. So fint ln is the this output. It's show to the output is shown to the screen when we will run the program. Then this output will show in the console output. So now we run the project. So here is the output Kotlin tutorial for beginner. So Fintline output the string inside the quotation. Now we will see the basic difference of fint ln and fint. Difference between fint ln and fint. Fint string inside the quotation and fint ln string inside the quotation similar like fint. Then cursor move to the beginning of the next line. So we will see the output between at first fint ln 1 fint ln 2 dot fint ln. So now we will see the fint ln. What do fint ln? So here is the first fint ln. First fint ln fint the fint one and second one is fint ln. So cursor is the end of the fint ln. So now we will fint the normal fint option 1 fint and fint 2 dot fint. What will be output now? So here is the showing the same line when fint is output showing the screen, then fint 1 and fint 2 showing the same line. But when we set the fint ln and then when second fint line will be the second line. If we use the normal fint, then whatever there are how many fint if how many fint with number of fint option will be display in the same line, but fint ln will be display in the second line is and should enter the line for cursor to the new line. Now we will see the fint variable and literand int fint. Suppose variable score is equal to 12.5. So how we can fint the score into fint ln, suppose as your score. If we set in double quotation in normal score, but it will fint only the score. So this is not variable. It will print the string. So this is showing the only score. If you want to print in score variable into println, then we will use the dollar as your score. Then what will be output now? So now showing the 12.5 is the score value. When we will use the variable into print string, then we must be using dollar sign before variable. We can use the expression into print. Suppose print score plus score. So we can use the expression into print. Then we will be used by this way: dollar is second bracket and score plus score. So this is the expression into print ln. So now we will see the output. So here is the 25.5, 25.0 is the main score. Now we will see the Kotlin input. Kotlin input. To read a line string in Kotlin, you can use readLine function. Suppose print enter text val variable as string input equal to read line. Now we will get input from console or command line print ln you entered string input. Now we can run our project for see the Kotlin input. Here is the enter text. Here the enter text and the read line is command line 1 to the input. By this way we get input from user read line. Suppose hello Kotlin. When we will enter, then this print line will be show the output. You enter hello Kotlin, enter. So here is the you enter hello Kotlin. So at first take input from user and this then output, display output to the skin. So in this section we learned about Kotlin input and output. Thank you so much.